How to use Spotify Circle community feature. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Based on recent updates, Spotify is rolling out a community feature designed to help users see what their friends are listening to in real time and engage directly within the mobile app. So first you'll have to access the community hub. While still in development, you can access the community feature by typing Spotify community into this Spotify browser. So head into it and type in Spotify. Make sure you get the spelling correct, right? And then you want this here, and then you want to type in community and you want to press go, and now you should be headed to the Spotify community page. You can proceed to open this page on Spotify and head over, and you should be able to open the link. Now in my case, it's not available in my region yet, so it's not opening, but you should be able to open it. You can look at friend activity in the community hub. You can start messaging and sharing songs as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.